At the STEMcell Science Shop, you'll find microscopes, meteorites, moon dust, and more. This is a dinosaur tooth?
This is a Spinosaurus tooth. So it was a dinosaur that lived about 100 million years ago. So this thing probably ripped into some other dinosaurs to eat them.
Terry Mudge is the owner and head scientist here. Opening STEMcell was a bit of an experiment. You see, there's really nothing like it anywhere.
Science stores are very rare across the country and around the world, and we're happy to be one of the very few, and we think we're doing it better than anyone else.
Here you'll find a cool one-of-a-kind collection for all ages.
It's a science shop, but it's not just any particular field of science. It's science for everybody, so no matter what you're interested in, there's something here for you.
There's professional equipment, spacesuits, natural specimens, even stuff for science buffs.
Some of our favorite things are in these vials. So we've got Civil War bullets, which are a technological advancement because they were the first bullets that were actually bullet-shaped like we know now.
It's definitely like the most unique place to shop that I can think of in Tulsa.
Customer favorites include charts, blood typing kits, and Oklahoma rose rock.
It's barite. It's left over from when there was a sea covering the middle of the country. Mostly central Oklahoma is where they formed. Whenever those seawaters evaporated, the sand crystallized into these barite roses. And so we've got those in the shop all the time. They're popular with tourists.
Terry has carefully inspected, curated, and validated STEMcell's entire collection.
We're very particular about what we allow in our shop. And so everything in here is genuine, the real deal. We have our authentication on everything to back it up.
Not only do they have lab coats, but there's a working science lab inside STEMcell. Time it just right, and you just might see the resident scientists inside.
It's here artist Tyler Thrasher uses science to grow crystal art.
He's amassed quite a following doing this because it's really amazing stuff, and we're proud to have him as part of our little science nook here in Tulsa.
The store also sells subscription boxes packed with all things science. They ship about 500 a month.
You can buy a single month subscription, or you can get a year-long annual subscription that will get you a box every month for a year at a discounted rate. Or you can even explore past boxes. We have some collections of like items, like an entirely fossil box or entirely space-related box, and it's become really popular.
STEMcell Science Shop, a place for curious minds to explore.
We just try to provide stuff for the nerds of the country.
In Tulsa, I'm Julie Chin, discovering Oklahoma.